Let's take a closer look at Vernon, this week's spectacular giveaway competition Mini. So what have we got here? We've got a Austin Mini Clubman Estate, painted in pageant blue. It's a mega rare colour, absolutely stunning, with gold decals and gold Force Racing 10-inch split rims with A008 tyres. We've got underneath fully adjustable suspension. We've got bigger brakes. We've got Cooper S brakes up front and super fins on the rear. We've got KYB adjustable shocks. This car is as good underneath as it is on top. Now, there's a bit of a twist with this car. Not only does it present absolutely immaculately in pageant blue with gold decals. It's just come back from Time to Shine at Doncaster and had a full machine polish. Look at this paint. This is a guaranteed show winner. These split rims are just stunning. Look at the inside of the arch. Look at the floors. We've got a full custom dashboard. It's painted in black with pageant blue centres, and this has also got a pageant blue flake in it, which you can't see because the sun's not shining on it. We've got a full leather steering wheel. We've got a 5-speed, yes, 5-speed 8-ball gearbox. 5-speed, you're wondering. We've got Mazda MX5 fully retrimmed seats with matching rear seats. We've got rear seat belts. We've got a black headlining. This car is seriously special. We've got matching black door cards. They're actually the originals with the original door furniture. And then the little surprise is a Nissan Micra K11 fully modified 100 brake horsepower engine. Look at the touches on this. He's called Vernon. Obviously, we've got all the usual cooling facilities. We've got a G-Fab manifold and full stainless steel exhaust. Obviously, a Ram Air induction kit that you can see there. As already mentioned, it's just been Time to Shine and presents absolutely immaculately. So got upgraded LED headlamps, and everything else is obviously black. Mirrors are black, handles are black, again with a blue, pageant blue flake in it. One of you is winning this in our live guarantee draw. 100 brake horsepower Nissan Micra converted. This is simply our best clubby estate to date. Head over to www.ukminis.co.uk to get your tickets. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll show you why this car is so unbelievably special. Let's have a little listen to this. Go get your tickets. Good luck.